Just got in the Kussla A30L 4K Ultra High Definition Wi-Fi dash cam. I'm going to get it opened up and we're going to check it out. First thing we have is our camera itself. Very well packaged. Comes in a bubble wrap as well as just a plastic sleeve. It's not extremely heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a good solid camera. Looks like it comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card. Let's see what else we have here. Have our USB to USB-C cord, our suction cup to mount the camera up on the windshield, our power cord. It comes with another suction cup. Maybe this one is to attach to your dash, and this one's to attach to your windshield. Comes with a card reader, a reset tool, a small, I call it a crevice tool. It's to pull your upholstery down just a little bit so you can wedge the cable up into the areas behind your upholstery. And then we have our user's manual. Okay, I was wondering, I saw the R a while ago, but I wasn't real sure what it is. It's a reset button, and that's why we have the reset tool. And our microphone. And if you do have a rear camera that has the, looks like the small 3.5 plug, not real sure what size that is, but it's a round one. It's not the micro USB port or anything like that. This will be our power port right here. This will be our navigation buttons to navigate the menu. And like I said a while ago, our micro SD card. This camera does feature the G sensor, which basically means if you get in a wreck, a sudden impact, and it will lock that portion of the video. Otherwise it won't be overwritten, because most of these cameras will loop record. When they reach the end of the available space on the SD card, it'll start writing over the older video. But with that G sensor, that will lock it and it will save that, and it will not overwrite that portion of the card. As a parking monitor, it is used to protect your car after parking. With this function on, after you park the car, the camera powers off. It will stay in a standby mode. When the camera detects a shocking, which I guess if somebody hits your car, it will automatically turn on and shoot 31 seconds of video, then shut down automatically. That's a pretty cool little feature. And you can adjust the G sensor to a low, medium, and a high. You can read the instructions further to get more information, but that's just kind of the basics. You have the Wi-Fi settings. You can download the app. You can scan the QR code. Once you get the app installed, you can use it to start and stop the recording. You can take screenshots and different things like that. And it will save the screenshots and the recordings to your phone, rather than just the camera. This goes into further detail how to mount the suction cup up on your windshield and etc., and how to run your cables. Pretty basic stuff there. We're going to get it hooked up and get a little sample footage in the daylight. Once the sun goes down, we'll get back out and check the low lighting and the nighttime vision. See how well it records then. Okay, we're going to get this camera mounted up here. I have an existing camera here, so just ignore that one. Just put it right in there. The suction cup's a little different. Most of them you flip. This one you turn and lock it in place. With our power cord plugged in. There we go. Has the recorder running already. So basically all you do is just turn your power on or turn your key on. We see just the top of our hood and the vehicle's in front of us. So we ought to be good to go right there. Let's get some motion going and see how well it works. All right, let's check the sound on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.